Yeah, kind of showing what kind of damage I got on the truck after the accident. See the fender there. So it was worse when it first happened. It was buckled out to about maybe there right after the accident. I fixed that by kicking it in. You can see the bumper is actually up higher. The bumper was at that level there. You can see it even cut the metal and everything else. Dented the tailgate in. The bumper was twisted back to where this corner here punched a hole in the fender, as you can see. It was all pushed in, and broke my bracket too. There's the block for the bumper drop. Banged the bumper there, and you can see the gap up at the top here compared down to the bottom. This is what it should look like. Even gap all the way down, straight bumper, and no buckle in the fender. But yeah, that's what happened after the accident. I was rather steamed. But then the cop didn't say anything about my bumper height, but the cop in Carrollton, Missouri did. And so I had to put the bracket, the drop brackets in there instead of one on the other side. Just get longer bolts for it. Back up here. Neighbor's house. I couldn't do that on the front because of the way the bumper's attached, so I just added a bar on the bottom. And bolted it to there. You can see how the bumper's attached. It's bolted right to the frame. And tow hooks. But yeah, that's what I had to do to fix that. Need some new body mounts and tie rod. Bad. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, that's damage to the truck. Oh, and got the back of the cab there too. Starts about there. Seal line all the way across, and even back into here. Cracked the paint, peeling and rusting now. So that's for trying to fix it. Tried to put a ratchet strap from there across to there and tighten it that way. But yeah, that's what happened.